Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to reset your Flipgrid account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Start by clicking open a web browser. As soon as you open it up, type in admin.flipgrid.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in this page where you can choose your login process by clicking the buttons in the display. In order to reset your password, you must be signed up to your account with your email and the password option. Click on login here at the bottom and you should see an email address and password text box displayed on the screen. Enter your email associated with your account in the first text box. Now head over to the next one and when asked for your password, click on forgot password. Enter the email address one more time on the next page. You'll receive a new link in order to reset your password in the following email address. Click on send email and go open a new tab and log into your email. You'll receive a link from Flipgrid in your inbox. Click it open and click on reset my password. Go ahead and type in the new password that you are trying to reset to. Make sure that your password is 8 characters in minimum and must contain 2 of the following displayed on the screen over here. Use uppercases, lowercases, numbers or symbols in your password. Double check your password by clicking on the eye icon to see if you've typed it in correct. Now confirm the new password you just typed in into the next box as well. Once you type in the password in both of the text boxes, click on reset password and remember that both of the passwords in the text boxes should match. If not, you won't be able to reset your password. Once you do that, go and click on the login here button at the bottom and enter your email and then the password that you just reset to. Make sure to type in the correct password. Double check before moving on by clicking on the eye icon in the right corner and click on login to Flipgrid. And with this, you have successfully reset your Flipgrid account's password quick and easy. That is all for today's video. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.